Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi is very slow issue in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi is so slow. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, you can simply open your settings app here, and once you are in settings, you just have to locate your Wi-Fi setting, like go to Network and Internet, and then go to Wi-Fi. And here you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable and strongest Wi-Fi connection. Like your Wi-Fi network has no signal to turn. So you can click on this show available Wi-Fi networks to see all available Wi-Fi networks here and to see your signal to turn here. Now you have to make sure that your meter connection is disabled. Here's the meter connection. You have to make sure it's turned off. Here you might get other settings like SSD and DNS servers for etc. So I recommend you just make sure that your DNS server is selected automatically, because sometimes it might be if your DNS server is selected very low or poor quality, so you might get these type issue. So I recommend you have to make sure that your DNS server is automatic. If you might see here any DNS server, so you can try to clean that or remove that or completely flush that. You just have to press the window button here, just search for CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now once you are here, you have to enter a command which is command of flush DNS. And the command is ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Press enter. It will completely delete all the DNS from your system. It will also delete the DNS cache. And once you have done this, your issue will be fixed. And now you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.